Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we will learn PHP include files. In PHP, this is the future for include files. The statements takes text file, code file, or markup text files specified in the file that copies into the file and that uses that particular file by using the include statement. We'll more elaborate about this include files and how to declare that include, what is include, and in between include and require are also available in PHP. That is include and require statements. See, it's a these two are very useful when you want to include same PHP file. You identify that we are creating a PHP file, different multiple files, how we want to join that files or how we want to reuse in the same form with the different PHP files. Can we use in the same form again and again for rewriting and all? It's possible with these two, include and require. How it is? It is possible to insert the content of one PHP file into another PHP file before the server execute it. With the includes or require statements are mostly identical or same, except upon failures. Once if while while these are using and writing these two statements to including or requiring that forms, while giving an errors, that failures, there only the differentiation will appear. Once we are using require, it will produce a fatal error and stop the scripts. It won't continue the script. While we are using include statements to including the files, it will produce a warning and the script will continue. It won't stop anything. Okay, I would suggest you which is the best, I'll tell you. And for more elaboration for these two statements, include and require, you want to execution on go on the show users the output even if the include file is missing. Use the include statement. That is the advantage of it. Otherwise, in case of like frameworks, CMS or complex PHP applications and any workflow engines are creating by using PHP programming language, always use that require statement to include a file. This will help you avoid compromising your application and security and integrities. Just in case any of the issue, it will throw away. It won't continue. Okay, and strongly remember it. So you will save a lot of time by using these two statements. Yeah, including file saves a lot of work. This means that you can create a standard header. One standard header you are creating in one PHP form, that file, and you are including throughout the application forms wherever it's required your header. That's it. One time you are writing in that file of a header, and many places wherever it's required you are applying for by using the include statement and that form. How it will write, I'll give you more examples. Header, for example, header and footers, the same, and menu items, that is the one menu item you will commonly follow for many of the users, or different user wise menu you can create and apply applicable which user form you can apply that particular form only. Like many pages you can write by using these are the include and require statements. And I will give you a simple example regarding this. So here on index page I will write first I'll write an index page what I want to write. Yeah, in body, this is an HTML.php. Also you can save it, not a problem. Before the head, within the body, I am writing one div tag here. Okay, div, the class CLASS class, call it as menu, and closing the div tag here. Yes, div tag is closed. Just for understanding purpose I have written there. And here some what will be available, that text. This is my home page. This is my home page or welcome page, I can tell that. And paragraph close and some text. Paragraph. Well, welcome to PHP home. Welcome to PHP home, I am saying that. Okay, that is the two statements will be displayed on my home page. Let's save it and run it here. Yes, this is my home page of my application, and welcome to PHP home I am written. And I would like to write a menu in a new page, and new, save this is as, save it as, I'll name it menu.php. On my project folder only I'm saving here menu.php. yes, and here I'll write PHP. yes, that menu items I want to write here. At my menu items are one page only. Okay, echo that I want to write href links. The easiest way to href equal to what I want to write here, some default pages. Shall we write some examples, anything? home.php, home.php. That's it, home.php. I'm writing as a home. And close the href link. And href, one more link, href, that equal to what I want to give here. Again, some other folder is there. What I can give you, secure folder is, secure content is available here. And my page.php, something. If I am click that link, it will redirect to that home, that page. Okay, my page, and href is closed. And again I want to copy this, the same line, another menu item. These are the menu items, you have to understand it. Secure, I'm showing that secure folder is added for, if it is there any folder you can. The page.php, it's welcome page link I am giving, specifying here the 3 items. Yeah, it's sufficient. Okay, these are my menu items written here. You can add n number of menu items over here one by one, like this. Okay, and this menu page I am including into index.php. On div tag I am writing a PHP tag over here, and in between the tag I want to write include statement, include space single quotes, within the single quotes menu dot php, the name of the file what we have created here. Okay, save it. What will happens now? See, before executing, this is the welcome page of my index page. Now I am included menu.php page at top. Now reload it. See here, home, my PHP, welcome menu is appeared here. See, similarly you can this line is wherever you apply this statement at the top of the page of any of your PHP page by giving the path. If it is within the folder, you can specify the folder name, or else straight away you have to specify that path of that particular PHP form. It will displays the menu, the same menu items only. You need to write again and again, and you need to repeat the code, and it may repeat the code, may missing some things, and some of the any correction is occurred somewhere else. You have to open all the blah 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 files, and you need to change all the menu items. You maintain a single file for menu, header, and any of the common tendencies, and include that file. That much of easy. You will save much more time on coding, and you can focus on the main functionality where it's required exactly. Okay, and similarly include, you can also use require function or statement also. It will also give you that the same functionality, unless until what we have discussed earlier, the differences between the both. Okay, when use require, when the file is required by the application. When use include, when the file is not required and application should continue when file is even not found, then you will use include. That is my best suggestion for you to write a code in easy way and in object oriented programming. Okay, I hope you better understand with this include and require statements. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views regarding PHP and other programming languages of your interest. Will help you surely. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.